please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Welcome to the Paulus family.
What's up guys? In this video we're going to be comparing this third cheap toy grade RC car against this more expensive hobby grade RC car. These two look fairly similar to the untrained eye. This one's a little bit taller, this one's a little bit shorter, this one's a little bit wider, and this one is not. So they look pretty much the exact same. But if we flip this one over, it's all, as you can see, it's still like all plastic. It has no suspension. And if we flip this one over, we don't need to. We can just take the body shell off. As you can see in this one, it's kind of just like there screwed on, so this is really fun. As you can see, this is fully hobby grade, and it has suspension, double wisdom suspension, as you can see. And it comes with a battery, motor, and it's 4-wheel drive. And it has open this. If you want to know all the techno babble, I already made another video. I'll put a link down below to that video too. But this one, we're reviewing this one and comparing it against this. And let me show you in this one. In this one you can steer a tiny little bit or a lot on both sides, so it's fully proportional. And also with the speed, you can go very slow or you can go fast. But on this one, as you can see, the steering, it's basically all or nothing. You can see nothing. Here you can steer nothing, and then full, then also to the other side. Nothing, full. See, so you can steer a little bit. And it's the exact same with the throttle. You can see that. Nothing, and then full. Nothing, and full. So basically, it's nothing, full. So you can't. So it's not proportional. And the cheap RC car. Now let's try get up off it.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Yes, I think we're stuck. Can't get out. So this one's stuck. This one failed the test. Now let's check out the other one. Now let's test it out. Oh, this one's struggling too.
Oh my God! Wow!
Oh, no, it couldn't this time. I think both of them are struggling over the shoe. Oh, it did it. So I guess we just need a little bit of a run-up with this one. Now let's get them outside and see which one is better at off-roading. Okay guys, so right now we're going to be testing out this cheap RC car against the track that I just built. First of all, we're going to go around here. It's not very slow on grass, as you can see. pretty surprising. Okay, there we go, there we go. Right now we need to get on top of this bit over here. We need to turn here. As you can see, the wheels are pretty floppy. And look, it's stuck on the gravel. It can't even turn properly, as you can see. Now we're going to try and get over the grass over here. And now it can't, so we're going to cheat a little bit and put it back on here. Oh, it's getting stuck. It's getting stuck. Come on, you can do it. Oh, it's stuck. I'm going to give it another hand. It's pretty hard because it gets stuck fairly easily. Look, as you can see, I'm trying to move and it already got stuck. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Now down the road, as you can see over here. We need to get up the curve and then come back. No, it got stuck. Right now it's barely getting up the grass. Let's see if we can go back. Come on, come on. Okay, we did it. And back. Okay, now we're going to test the more expensive hobby grade RC car, as you can see over here. Easily, doesn't struggle at all on the grass, as you can see. Very easily on top every single rock. Now it comes back very fast without getting stuck, as you can see on the grass. We go back on the road. As you can see, this one is a lot faster. Up on the curve, onto the mud, and back. So as you can see, this one did almost 100 times better than that one. So as you can see, it's not because of, oh, it's just they're like doing wrong stuff and it's way too expensive. So as you can see, you get for what you pay for. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. And I don't know if you've seen, but in the past video I said that we were going to jump my very big RC car full speed on the ramp if we get to 150 subscribers in a week and a half from now. So don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of those videos, and so that I can jump very, very fast and far away. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.